Hey guys, welcome to another super cool video on my channel, and in this video today I'm going to show you the exact method to eliminate the app not installed error. So this is an extremely frustrating error and I'm going to show you how you can completely fix this error. So without any further ado, let's get started. Android app not installed is really frustrating and no more an unknown error code during application installation, as many people experience it on a day-to-day basis. Application not installed error message usually pops up when you are trying to download and install an app with a .apk file extension from somewhere other than Google Play Store. This is very confusing at first but makes sense when you realize that this is unknown error code during application installation is neither a software issue nor a hardware problem. It is a direct outcome of what you do with your device. Yes, you heard it correct. Your faulty actions can cause Android app not installed error on your phone. So the first reason that may cause this error is insufficient storage. The applications that you have installed on your phone use a lot of storage, and the media files on your phone, which includes photos, videos, music, messages, apps, contacts, emails, etc., are stored in the internal memory, which also consumes a lot of space on your phone. So there is not adequate storage left for another app to get installed, leading to app not installed error. The second reason is corrupted or contaminated app file. When you do not download apps from the Play Store and choose another platform to do so, app files are usually corrupted and hence cannot be installed on your device smoothly. You should be sure of the source from where you are downloading the app. Check its extension name and make an effort not to install contained files. The third reason is SD card not mounted in the device. At times your phone could be connected to your PC or another electronic device which can access the SD card from your device. The fourth reason because of which this error occurs more frequently is that storage location. You must be aware that certain apps works their best when stored in the device's internal memory, whereas there are others which need to be located on SD card. If you do not save the application in an appropriate location, you will find that app isn't installed because of an unknown error code. The fifth reason is corrupt storage. Corrupted storage, especially corrupted SD card, is known to cause the app not installed error. Even the internal storage can get clogged due to unnecessary and unwanted data, some of which might contain an element that disturbs the storage location. Take this issue seriously, as a corrupted SD card and even clogged up internal memory can put your device in danger. The sixth reason is application permission. Software operations running in the background and app permissions are not a new concept. Such errors can also cause the unknown error code during application install. Seventh reason is incorrect file. If you already have an app installed but download another variant of it, then it may lead to the app not installed error. Alright, so for the method 1 we have on our list Google Play. All you need to do is to go to the settings of your device and then find the apps option over here. Once you go into apps, you need to find Google Play Store option over here, which will be actually an application. Once you open Google Play Store, you need to uninstall the updates of this application. This application is pre-installed on your device, but you need to uninstall the updates over here from the top right corner on the screen. Once you uninstall the updates, you would need to download a recent version of this application from Google Chrome or any other browser you prefer. So right now, as you can see, I will open Google Chrome and over there I will search Google Play Store latest version, or you can simply type Play Store latest version. Once you do that, you will find a lot of websites over here downloading the application. You can choose any one of them and download Google Play Store from that. Once you have installed it, you can simply install it just like you install any other application. And once the application is installed, you can just open Play Store and the problem must be solved. If it doesn't, then the next method is always there. So for the method 2, you again need to go to the settings of your device, or you can directly go to the settings by clicking on more info on Play Store. Once you click on more info under Play Store, you need to go to the storage option over here. Then you need to clear the data from here. And don't worry, this won't delete any important data on your phone. It is just the trash data. Then the next thing which you need to do is to go to the settings of your device and then scroll down, find apps option over here, and then find Google Play Services. This is very important. You need to find Google Play Services, which is right here just above Google Play Store. Once you find that, a lot of cache memory is stored in here. So you need to clear the data of Google Play Services as well. Just repeat the exact same procedure. Go to the storage, then go to manage storage, and then clear all data. And once you clear the data from Google Play Services, then you again need to find package installer from the applications list in the apps bar. Once you find package installer, you need to clear the data of this application as well. And once you're done that, just exit out of settings. And after that, you can simply restart your phone and check whether the error is solved or not. If it isn't, then the next method is always there. For the method 3, we have Google Play Store itself on the list. All you need to do is to open Google Play Store and click on this bar over here on the top left corner, and then click on Play Protect. Once you go to Play Protect, you need to find this settings logo on the top right corner, which you have to click and turn off these two options over here, which says scan apps with Play Protect. So you can just turn this off, although it will say that this is harmful, but don't worry at all. Just install the application and then turn these two options back on again. For the method 4, we have on our list settings once again. You need to go to the settings and scroll down and go to apps once again, and from here you need to find the application through which you are downloading the game or the software, whichever you are. For me, if I'm downloading it from Google Chrome, then I'll go to Google Chrome and then go to storage, and then go to permissions and give it the permission of storage. Once it has the storage permission, the error will be gone. And if you are doing that from Play Store, you can do the exact same from Play Store as well. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope that you will succeed in eliminating the error once and for all. And if you do, then don't forget to turn the like button from grey to blue and subscribe my channel with the notifications turned on for more such videos from this side. So that is all for this video. Catch you in the next one.